Hello everybody, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can add music to a video on an iPhone 14 series device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the App Store and download the free application from Apple that is called iMovie. So let's go ahead and get it real quick. Alrighty, once the application has been successfully installed and downloaded at the first place, just launch it, continue, create a new project using the movie template, then select what video you would like to, put the audio to. Let's say I'll go with this little clip, create movie, then at this timeline, tap on this little plus sign over here, then go for the audio, or is the track that you would like to add is located in the Files app. You can also, go for the Files option and choose some file to be added, let's say this one. And as you can see, it is successfully added to the timeline, as you could have just heard. I guess you can also expand it a little. I'm not sure how it should be done. Yep, just tap on the audio track and expand it all the way to the end of the video itself. You can also add some sound from the soundtracks list, which contains a lot of soundtracks that you can use. The My Music, that will import music from the Apple Music application, and some sound effects, which you can also add by tapping on this plus sign in a circle and edit video just like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.